about the LPG scenario? You can see on screen that India invokes emergency powers, orders refiners to boost LPG output. Now let's understand this in some numbers. The world's second biggest importer of LPG last year consumed 33.115 million metric tons of cooking gas, which is a mixture of propane and butane. Now, who is this country, which is the world's second largest or second biggest importer of LPG? Of course, it is India. And how much have we consumed? It's 33.15 million metric tons. Now, out of this, India accounts for about 2/3 of LPG consumption. Now, imports are 2/3 means almost 66% is just imports. And very important, with Middle East making up to 85 to 90% of that supply. So I hope the entire scenario is clear. 33.15 million metric tons is total consumption. We are the second biggest importer of LPG. 2/3 of whatever we consume is imported, and 85 to 90% of our imports pass through the Middle East. And of course, when I'm talking about the Middle East, of course it has to be through the Strait of Hormuz. And if that is closed right now, I hope you can understand what big problem we could be in right now. Now in that case, we have to understand how much reserves are we left with. And for that, if you have a look at this, you can see it is very clearly given that India has enough oil stock for 50 days. We are looking for more options, is what government sources are saying. And out of this 50, they have given a split with 25 days worth of crude oil and another 25 days of petroleum products, is what the government sources have mentioned. Now it is because of this, maybe, that it is given in this, again, news article, which says that all oil refiners are asked to maximize and ensure that propane and butane available with them are utilized for the production of LPG. So, all in all, government also understands it's not only about petrol or diesel. LPG is also extremely critical for us. And they are trying to ensure that we don't have any shortage in supplies of LPG, and even our refiners are asked to maximize the production and thereby ensure that there is no shortage in LPG.